Get started with activity 6, follow the energy. We're just going to do one example of those energy event cards together. You can look back at this video as many times as you'd like to kind of help guide you in the activity as you kind of go along. So make sure we have our energy event cards. We're going to be going over card 1. That's the one with the calculator right here. We're going to be going over that card first. So you need to make sure you have your energy event cards. You're going to want to use this table today to kind of help guide you. It just gives you several different types of energy, what they depend on, whether they're potential, kinetic, description, and also kind of an example to help you guys go along as you work. Okay, so you're going to want to use that table as well. And obviously the student sheet to kind of help fill in our work here. All right. So again, let's take a look at that first card. It's a calculator. It looks like it's a light or solar powered calculator by this panel right here. You guys can see the light shining down on that calculator, causing that calculator to kind of have power and to function. Okay, so we're going to go back to our student sheet now. We'll go ahead and put the event number in there. So this is event number 1. Okay. It wants us to list the energy types before the transformation. So what we kind of need to look at real quick is the energy card and what is causing this energy card to even have power, right? So it's solar powered or light powered. So it looks like, rays of light, whether that's from a indoor lamp or light or whether that's outside from the sun, either one, it looks like rays of light that are kind of helping this calculator function here. So let's take a look at our table that shows the summaries of different types of energy. Let's look to see if there is any light energy on here. Well, looks like we have light energy right here. Okay, energy transferred by the rapid movement of electromagnetic fields, sunlight, or X-rays. I think we would go with light energy. I'm almost positive that that's what we should go with. So I'm going to go ahead, go to our list of energy types before the transformation. Go here and just type in light. Alright. Now we need to think of the energy types that are after the transformation. Okay. So again, go back to our energy event card. So this calculator, now that it has light, it's powered. Alright. So it is showing some light because you can see the numbers, right? So that would be some type of light, some form of light. This calculator is still considered somewhat of electronic, so there would be also electric current in this calculator. And as this calculator is being powered, whether it's solar powered or light, eventually if that light is being absorbed by that calculator for a long enough time, that calculator probably will get warm to an extent. So I would also say some thermal energy is involved in this as well. So let's check with our list to make sure that all those types of energy are on that table. So we said there would also be some light energy from the numbers. We have light right there, we know that. There would be some thermal just from absorbing that light, whether it's from the sun or indoors. So there's thermal, which energy transferred in a transit from a hot to a cold object, which would be the case. So that would be thermal as well. So thermal, light, and electric current, because the movement of a charge and energy from one place to another. Obviously that light has energy, whether it's from a lamp or from the sun, and it is moving from one place to another. So from the light to the calculator, giving it a charge. Okay. So we would go with electric, light, and thermal. That's going to be kind of hard to see for you guys, but I'll do the best I can. There we go. So we have our energy event card number 1, which is the calculator. List of energy types before the transformation would be light. After the energy transformation would be electric, light, and thermal. And then you guys would just come up with a sentence kind of describing the transformation. Like, for example, I'll type one up real quick for you guys. So let's say when sunlight hits the solar panels, transformed into electricity used to run the calculator and light the screen. I know that's difficult to see, but I'll just put it right there now. So when sunlight hits the solar panels, it transformed into electricity used to run the calculator and light the screen. There's event card number 1 completed for you guys. Again, you can look back at this video as often as you'd like to kind of help guide you as you work through this activity 6, follow the energy. Again, if you have any questions while working, make sure you message me through Canvas or hop on the Zoom while it's open for your class period. Hope you guys have a good one. Take care. I'll talk to you later. Bye.